Hi, friends. It's Miss Everett again from Flint Hill Elementary. Um, we had been talking last week. We were talking about multiplication and we were using place value charts and things like that. And today we're going to talk a little bit more about multiplication and place value charts. So we're going to keep using Zern, and we're going to use the Learning Lab today to kind of help us get through it. So let's see what he has to say for us today. Oh, did it start? Here we go. I got to go back. Here we go.
What's up, mathlete? Is your brain ready for a workout? Then let's warm up.
Let's warm up. Let's start. Okay, let's match some equivalent expressions. Okay, if we see 6 tens, we should also know that that's 60, okay, guys? Because we need to know that that's what 6 tens equal. 600s, let's think which one that might be. Okay, 600. 10 ones is 10, and 10 tens is 100, right? I know we're going to have that correct. And when we see stuff like this, let's think. 3 times 2 tens. So 3 times 2 is 6. So that's going to be 6 tens. What's 2 times 3 ones? That's going to be 6 ones. 2 times 3 is 6. What about 300 times 2? 600s. And 2 times 3,000s. Well, we're going to do 2 times 3 and know that that's 6, and know we need 6,000s. And there we go. Okay, let's enter it. Good job. Okay, we're going to add rows on a place value to show 2 ones times 4. So we have 2 ones times 4. We're going to add rows. Can I add rows? Let's see. There we go. I added 4 rows. Why did I add 4 rows? Because it tells me I added 3 rows. There was already 1 row. Why did I add 3 rows? Because I had 1 and I needed to get to 4, right? I bet you can guess what 2 ones times 4 is right now. Okay, now what is 2 ones times 4 in unit form? So it says I need to put 2 ones times 4. How many ones do I have? When it says unit, it wants to know what place value I put it in. I put it in 8 ones, right? But what's my standard form? Or are they asking me to do that yet? Maybe not. We're just going to enter that. Not yet. What's the standard form? What is that number? 2, 4, 6, 8. That number is 8. Okay, now we're going to add rows on a place value chart to show 2 tens times 4. Let's think about it for a minute. I already have 1 row of 2 tens. How many more rows would I add? Think about what I did in the last problem. I would add 1, 2, 3. Is that 2 tens times 4? It is. That is 2 tens with 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 groups. Now it's asking me, what is that in unit form? Now, if we're looking at how I did it before, and I did 2 ones times 4 is 8 ones, then what do you think 2 tens times 4 is? 8 tens. Is that correct? Let's see. Great job. Now, let's go next. What's the standard form? What is 8 tens? 8 tens 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. That would be 80. I'm positive it's 80. Let's see. Good job. Now we're going to add rows on a place value chart to show 200 times 4. Do we think it's going to be any different? Do we think we know what's going to happen? I think we do. So we're going to add 3 rows. Why are we adding 3 rows? Because it asked us to do times 4. We already had 1 row. We needed 3 more rows. Okay, now remember what we did before. What do you think we have to do now? If it's asking us to go ahead and show this expression in the unit form, it is 2 times 4, which is 8 hundredths, right? We didn't write the number yet. Now we're going to enter that. And on next, it asks us for the standard form. And we know the standard form, if we count them here, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. That's 800. And we can enter that. And you're doing great. Woof. Now we have bigger numbers. Add rows to show 2,000 times 4. You think you can do that? I think you can do that. We're going to add, again, we need to get to 4 because it said times 4. 1, 2, 3. We added 3 to get to 4. I bet you already know the answer. I bet you know what's going to come next. Let's hit enter and see if we're right. Excellent. We're right. Now, let's go all the way down here to the bottom. Ooh, our list is getting long. Following our pattern, which one would it be? 2,000 times 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8,000s. That's the unit form. I bet you know what the standard form is. I know you know what the standard form is. What is it? I think it's 8,000. Oh, but did I forget a comma? Uh-oh. There we go. There we go. Look at that. Wow. Weren't we just excellent? Let me see what I want to. Oh, wait.
Lucas, what did you notice about multiply?
Let's pause that for a second because I don't want you to do anything else right there. Now, we went all the way to 2,000. We went all the way to showing 8,000 in our chart. Now, what I would like for you to do is I want you to take your place value chart and I want you to do 2 1s. Oh, we did that. I want you to do 2 1s times 4. And I'm going to type this for you really quickly. And Miss Ever to tell you what I want you to do exactly. Really quickly. And I want you to do this at home. Here we go. These are the problems I want you to do on your own at home. So you can do 2 1s times 4, 2 10s times 4. Let's make that a little bit prettier for you to see. You can do 200s times 4. And you can do 2,000s times 4. Now, using the method that we just used, I want you to try those and see. Oh, look at Miss Everett spelling things wrong. Let's fix that so you can spell it right. 2,000s. And you can go ahead and you can find the answer, put it on a place value chart, and do your unit form. For example, if I did 2 1s times 4, I'm going to see that that's 8 ones, which also equals 8. So you go ahead and do this problem, and I'll see you soon. Thank you, guys.